Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to make a logo in Canva. So for us to be able to begin, just head on to canva.com, and once you're in here, click on to create a design here onto the upper right corner of the screen. Now to create a logo, there is a logo in here. Just simply click onto that one and then you'll get redirected onto the editing page. So for this one, we're gonna opt for a minimalist style of a logo. But for this one, well, let's try to create something from scratch. So let's add in a text. So for example, let's add in some initials, an initial for your business or brand, such as AJ or anything, something like that. Let's change in the font for that one. And then also let's try to change the color for this. So for example, we want to go ahead and try to use this one, red. Make this one bigger. And then let's try to use another font, this one. Now, right after you resize this, it should look something like this. Now, there are different text styles that you could use in here, such as its alignment. You could adjust that one. Also, the spacing of each letter. So you could make this one bigger or smaller. So let's leave it as it is, just like that. And right after this, let's go ahead and try to add in an element. So under elements, you should be able to find in some shapes in here. Click onto the square one. And then we're going to go ahead and resize it just like that. Make this one smaller. And let's make this bigger. You could go ahead and try to change the color for this one to white. And then right after, let's add in some lines. Let's change the color of the line as well. And then let's make this one longer. So let's move the lines in here and stretch this. So let's move it like that. Let's copy that one out and paste it and move that one here. Now you can make this longer as well, or you could adjust it just like that. Now right after, you could add in some text here onto its middle part. You can add in the brand name here onto the middle part. So let's add in a subheading in here and let's add in AJ Design. And then right after, let's try to change the font for this. So you could use something like this, make it a little bigger and try to put this here onto its middle part. So let's make this smaller and it should go ahead and look something like this. Now right after that, we could go ahead and try to change in the style for this one or the background. Set here onto the elements and here onto elements, we could try to search for background. So for example, you want to offer a rosy theme, you could just go ahead and click this one and set this image as a background. Then you could also try to change the color for that. You could also add in some elements in here, such as roses, click onto graphics, and then you should be able to find in some designs in here that you could add for your logo. And if you're satisfied already with your design, just click onto the share button here onto the upper part. Click onto download. You could choose the file type for that, the size, and also its quality. And that is just basically it, how you make a logo in Canva. If you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.